Yep.
Hey everybody, how are you? Jamie from Outlet Round and Jamie. I'm going to attempt to build a sofa bed for our shed. In theory, this should work, but my luck, it may not. So anyway, I'm going to cut some wood, get all that stuff done, and when I am in the shed putting it together, I'll bring you in, show you how I'm doing it, and this will probably kill me in the comment section. And I'll bring you back with them when I start.
Yeah.
This is 24, and then when you put the other piece on that slides out,
Yeah.
will be another 24, which will be 48, which is 4 feet, which is a double mattress.
Which is a double, and that's the perfect size. We don't need
Perfect
any
size.
bigger
We don't
than
need
that.
anything any bigger.
There'd be no more room. That way you'll still have walking space. Yeah.
4 feet right there.
Yeah, and we can put the fridge and the little stove thingy there.
Well, this is where I'm going to come down here. I got to put a piece of 2x4 behind here. Come down with the plywood down to about here, so it's level,
Level with the counter.
the countertop, and then I can put the fridge alongside of it because I already have the outlet out in there for it, and that will bring it level with this. Hopefully that.
Hopefully.
So now I gotta go and cut 24s. Go on there. Can't fix it to the wall because we gotta put stuff on the wall
No,
before we do it.
but we'll get it all ready.
We'll get it all ready. Now I gotta cut 2 more. What are you doing?
There's the old fella. We're inside our camper. Kind of looking at the camper bed in here to help us with designing the new one. We're kind of looking at the slide out portion, which is larger, which does make sense. And we're doing some measurements. So we're going to pull this out now. Go ahead.
Try to.
Yeah. We have some stuff in the way in here. Well, the cushion's in the way. You're going to have to move it. Don't curse.
What?
Edit, edit. Here he goes. Yeah, we have pulled this out a few times. We have had a couple people stay overnight. Goes out a little farther than that. So, in this bed, I like how to show her. So let's have a look at it.
Don't mind the mess.
So inside, under this is our camper. So the hot water, or the water tank and everything is under there. But we won't have one in the shed. So, I'm looking at here. There's like a framing, square frame on 2x2. I don't even think they make them. They look like the same that was under our floor when we were building it. And when we went to buy, you couldn't even really buy. We had to make our own. But we don't need to worry about that because we're going to go 4x4 because we have a couple heavy family members besides ourselves.
Yeah, I'm a big person. That's 30 inches.
And our biggest thing right now is figuring out the sliding mechanism part. So we can see that
They have like stoppers.
yeah, and then things on the bottom are level with the square frame. And then they got a board on top, and this slides into the board that's on top and comes out. So I think we can manage this.
Help!
And I don't even know if we should call this plywood, but it is. I gotta show you how thick this is. Like, hold on, see how thin that is?
That's wafer board.
I think it's thinner than a sheet of paneling. But nonetheless, we've had a lot of people sleep in this. They've never fallen through, and it hasn't bothered them, so it's got a lot more strength than what you would think. We're definitely using plywood, though. No way are we doing that.
No trees, plywood.
All right, I'll get back to you. Off to the lumber yard.
Woohoo!
So for some 2x1s for the slider slats. Hopefully we can figure this out on our own and get her done.
Okay. God help us. Well, aren't you professional?
Of course. I'm doing right.
Uh-huh.
The 17-inch piece.
It's about time.
There you go, in the middle.
One done.
Middle will be your slider. The middle will be your slider. Beautiful. Don't worry about it being warped. As long as it'll stop the plywood. It's a stopper, right?
Yes, sir.
First sheet of plywood is cut. You're now attaching the sliders. Cross your fingers. Hopefully it works. We've been having a lot of miscalculations, I guess. So here we're trying. Yeah. Well, that part's working.
Woohoo! Hopefully it works. Gonna put it down now, slide it out, see if these blocks stop it. If not, it's her fault. Alright, here we go. Test number 1. That doesn't fit shit.
Don't say that. Okay, now pull it out, see if it works. There we go. Now we just need to make some legs.
Oh god, there's 2.
Look, we had this barn built for us and delivered. That's not even level. So why are we worried about trying to get this there? Bed good. Look at this poor old fella. He's had enough today. But you know what?
This poor old feller's hungry. And
But-
guess what, guys? It works.
He could actually sleep on that tonight if he wanted.
No.
There's just one little thing left to do. Well, 2, but important one is to cut the other end of that plywood down.
No, I just thought I'd leave it there for a coffee table.
You never know. And we have a futon mattress we're going to put on top of it, so. But
95% done. Tomorrow we'll be finished.
we actually feel like we got somewhere today, and oh, how frustrating. We certainly don't know what we're doing, but we managed. Hopefully no one falls through it.
Hopefully somebody says in the comments it looks good.
Yeah, I hope. And this is, I just turned the flash on now, so it was probably dark. We have like some flashlights going because there's no lights over here. There's no power in here yet. So we were over here the last hour with the flashlights because it started getting dark and we couldn't see. But here we go. We could have candlelight over here now if we wanted to.
Better call your boyfriend.
Yeah. Too much work. Too much work. All right. Walking into the shed. And look what I found. Look at this.
Oh!
Wakey wakey.
Well, it was a journey, but we got it done. It wasn't easy, and I wouldn't recommend to do it again, because I ain't doing it again. But it came out good. It's good and sturdy. It'll handle a hell of a lot of weight. I'm on it, so there you go. But no, it was a journey. It was a journey. It took a lot of time, a lot of cutting, but it's made. Another one.